We all have different job titles, different backgrounds, we all speak different languages even, and it's our love for soccer is one thing that connects us all together.
Soccer is just everything to me.
It's important to me just because I love soccer, and it just motivates me every year.
I think it represents caring about our people greatly. It's something a sport that's global, that everybody loves, and again, that we can all come together and enjoy it.
Going from a heritage standpoint, like we do have a lot of team members that love soccer, live by it, love it, and it is just important to see that we spend time, energy, and resources to get it, have it all come together.
Yes, work is priority, but like an event like this, I feel like it like brings in more, people together as a family, because you might have people that are coming in from other factories, other plants, and then they see this and they don't ever see this in their job or in their company doing this like Lippert is. So I feel like it's very important that people actually take this very serious and like really prioritize this.
You know the people you work with and the people in the other plants, but once you like get to meet their families, get to meet their kiddos, it's just very nice to have it be more than just work,
You hear from other people that don't work for Lippert, they're like, hey, how come we don't do this? Or we don't do anything like this. So it's great to have an employer that provides stuff like this where we can release stress, where we can have fun with our team members, with other plants that we normally don't do at work because we're too busy.
It's been great. It's been awesome to see how just culturally and how a whole company can come together to just celebrate a sport, celebrate, it's part of the culture, part of the blood sometimes, and for some of us, just because we're so passionate about it. And then at the end of the day, we get to celebrate it with our work family and our families as well, because they get to go and see us.